Hello and welcome to another video. Today we got the Dunk Cliver. I got these from Best Shoes Sneaker and I'm really excited to show you guys today how these are. So my first impressions are these are super clean. I don't know if you can see it, but the swooshes are pointy as hell. I don't think I've ever got swooshes that pointy and well cut on both of the pairs, you can see. To the seller, BestShoesStore.net. I will link all the information down below, so make sure to definitely check them out. As I said, swooshes are looking great, both on the outside and on the inside. Stitching in general, pretty smooth. These came with the special box, as you can see, and also with two different type of laces. So we have the silver laces, the white laces and these gold laces. But I think I would keep these laces because they just fit the best in my opinion. Coming to the leather quality, it's a bit stiff on that part, but that doesn't matter at all. I've already had them on once and these are super comfortable. On this part, the leather quality is pretty good. Also the suit is well made, so it's alive, it's not dead or anything. So on the whole shoe you can see that it's alive. It's a great quality. Coming to the heel parts. Embroidery, spot on, as you can see on both of the pairs. So the embroidery at the heel parts is well made. There's no like loose stitching or anything at all, and these are pretty even, so I can't complain about anything. Coming to the tongue, placement is good, not too high, not too low, and also stitching on the tongue is great. The insoles have these special looks, as you can see, like the Christmas thingy and the Cliver signature. So overall, these are pretty clean in general. These originally took like 10 days to arrive at my doorstep after I accepted the QC pictures. And I think they look even better in real life than you might think on the camera. So as I said, I got these from BestShoesStore.net, and these are a size US 13, which is pretty rare and hard to get, but somehow I managed to find them. The seller in general was pretty responsive and pretty quick overall, so I can definitely recommend them. They have nice prices and fast shipping rates, so make sure to definitely check them out. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.